Hello, in today's video we are going to look at one easy method to find square root of any non-perfect square. So in previous video I have shown an easy method to calculate square root of perfect squares. Now for non-perfect squares for any number, this is the formula. I'll explain this formula with one example. Suppose you want to calculate square root of 11. Now 11 is not a perfect square. So we have to break this number 11 in such a way in the form of x plus or minus y, so that the first number x is always a perfect square. So for example, I can write this 11 as 9 plus 2. I can write 11 as 9 plus 2, where 9, which is my x in the formula, is a perfect square because I can find root 9. Now just substitute x and y as per the given formula. So it is root 9 plus, because we are using plus here, so we'll continue with the plus sign in the formula also. If we use minus here, then we have to continue with minus. That's why it is plus or minus in the formula. So as it is 9 plus 2, we have to take plus in the formula part, in the calculation also. So root 9 plus 2 upon, because my value of y is 2, so 2 upon, the denominator is 2 into root x, so 2 into root 9 again. So if you calculate this, it comes as 3 plus 2 by 6, that is 3.333, and that is the square root of 11. We will take another example. Suppose you want to find out square root of 87. So I can write 87 as 81 plus 6. So my x becomes 81 and y is 6. And 81 is a perfect square. So if I substitute in the formula, it comes as root 81 plus 6, because my value of y is 6. So numerator is 6 divided by 2 into root 81 again. So that is 9 plus 6 upon 18. If I calculate this, it comes as 9.333. Now it is not necessary that every time you have to express the value as addition of two numbers. Suppose you want to calculate root of 46. Now I can write 46 as 49 minus 3. So if I calculate, if I want to calculate root 46, and if I'm writing 49 minus 3, then I have to continue with this minus sign in the calculation part also. So if I substitute all the values, my x is 49, y is 3, and the sign is negative. So if I continue with this calculation, it comes as root of 49 minus 3, that is my y, divided by 2 into root 49. That is 7 minus 3 by 14. If I calculate this, it comes as 6.785, which is the square root of 46. So we can try this method for even 3, 4, 5 digit numbers also. The only thing is you have to be good with the tables, because you have to calculate the fraction 3 by 14, for example. So you need to know the table of 40. So suppose you want to calculate the square root of 151. Now I can write 151 as 144 plus 7, where 144 is a perfect square. So my x is 144, y is 7, and sign is positive. So if I substitute, it comes as square root of 144 plus 7 upon 2 into root of 144. That is 12 plus 7 by 24. So if I calculate, that comes as 12.291. So what is important is, if you know the table of 24, you can easily calculate this fraction and you can calculate this answer. So this is one very simple and easy method to calculate square root of any non-perfect square number also. Thank you.